Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Casey, and back there is my Jeep and Mark's Jeep. I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why beadlocks are an awesome upgrade for your Jeep. As always guys, if you enjoy the content on my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. I appreciate every one of you. So the first reason why beadlocks are a great upgrade, you can mount your own tires. You can change your tires if you get new ones. You can install the beadlocks completely on your own. You don't need to take them down to a tire shop to swap out a tire. Maybe you got a flat and now you've purchased 2 new tires and they've got to go on your Jeep. You can easily take your beadlocks off of your Jeep, unmount the rings, pull the tire off, and pop on new ones, bolt them back up, and away you go. To me, this is a great feature of beadlocks and a great reason to have them. If you want to know how to install them, check out my video. I'll link it below on how to install a set of these KMC Machete beadlocks, and I also have trail ready beadlocks on mine, and they install pretty much the same way. Beyond just mounting your tires to your Jeep, which I think is a great thing to be able to do, learn how to do, be able to swap tires if you get new ones on your own. You don't have to take your Jeep down to a shop. There are 2 big off-road advantages to having beadlocks on your Jeep. The first one is airing down low, like into single digits. 6 PSI I typically run when I'm off-roading. That's going to let my tire get wider, and it's going to create a larger footprint, and it's going to give me more traction. If I'm on the sand or snow, a nice wide tire is going to give me much more traction and get me where I need to go. If you're out on the rocks, crawling, things like that, it's going to let your tire mold and conform to the objects that you're going over. So if it's able to mold and conform to it, more of the surface is touching the obstacle that you're going over, going to give you better traction and going to let you get through those obstacles that you're going through. The other thing is it's going to give you a more comfortable ride. So having less air in your tire, usually for me, it's heading to and from the trails that we're going to from our air down spot. Lots of big potholes, ruts, unexpected things that I don't see. So having a little bit less air in the tire is going to make that tire act more as a suspension component and absorb some of that shock and not transfer it into your Jeep, into all of your suspension components, your control arms, through the frame right into you. So it's going to be a more comfortable ride for you as well. So the third reason why I think beadlocks are a great idea is they also protect your valve stems and the outer ring of your rim. So as you can see on both of these sets of beadlocks behind me, the KMC Machetes and the Trail Readies, they have nice fat rings on them. So mine, the Trail Readies, have even more ring protecting more of the inside of the rim. The KMCs have a really thick, heavy-duty machined aluminum ring, and what that's going to do is protect from any damage along the edge of your rim. So if a rock hits it, what can happen is it can dent the edge of your rim, and then your bead of your tire is going to have a gap, let all the air out, you're going to have a flat, and you're going to be changing your tire on the trail. The other thing is it's going to also protect your valve stems. So both of these sets of wheels, the valve stems are mounted quite deeply into the rim, but there's also that rock ring protecting the valve stems from any, like a large stick, blog, or maybe a big rock from getting into the rim and ripping your valve stem off. Traditional rims are going to have the valve stems usually more accessible for airing up, but what's going to happen is it's easy to shear that valve stem off when you're on the trail from a large rock that maybe got inside of the rim, or a big stick or tree or something like that that you're crawling over and a branch is sticking out, rips your valve stem right off, then you're left with a flat. So those are 3 big reasons why I think beadlocks are a great investment for your rig. To me, it's probably one of the earlier things I would do. It's a little bit more on the pricey side, but I think once I have a lift and some bigger tires and a winch, I'd really be thinking about a set of beadlocks. And there's a 4th bonus reason why I think beadlocks are a great investment, because they look awesome. How good do both of those sets of beadlocks look on both of those Jeeps? I think the KMCs are a great design. These are in the machined aluminum. They look awesome. I have the machined aluminum Trail Ready beadlocks, and I powder coated my outer ring. Having that ring gives you a bit of ability to customize your Jeep a little bit further. You could maybe color match it. You can maybe offset it from the inside of the rim. Maybe the rim is a different color and you go with a polished or machined look on the outside. So it gives you a little bit of customization, and so they look really good. So not a functional reason for buying beadlocks, but we all like our Jeeps to look good, and so that's why it's a bonus reason why I think beadlocks are a great investment. So as always guys, thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel. If you want to know how to install beadlocks, there is a link below to my installation video on installing these KMC machetes. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to the channel if you like the content. I'm uploading videos every Monday, and I'm going to try to start uploading intermediate videos between the week when I have time. Maybe it's a vlog, maybe it's a bonus installation video, or a review of a new product that I got in. But every Monday there will always be a video, and there may be an additional video throughout the week. And don't forget, I'm also on Instagram if you want to check me out over there. I'm posting almost every day. I post pictures from my Jeep adventures, as well as videos and stories of me working around in the garage. So check it out, Casey_250. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.
You